Will soon have an easier way to get to the iconic view from the top of the Santa Barbara County Courthouse clock tower. The Board of Supervisors approved a renovation project to add an elevator that goes all the way to the top deck. News Channel 3 reporter Senare De Los Santos has our details.
Getting to the top of the Santa Barbara Courthouse Tower has been a mission. The elevator stops right before you reach the top.
Stops on what we call the fourth floor, which is the clock room. And then the last stop, which is the fifth floor, is the one 12 steps below us. And it's those last 12 steps that create the problem.
A problem that will soon be resolved. The Santa Barbara County Board of Supervisors approved the construction to renovate the elevator, making it accessible to people with mobility challenges.
The purpose of retrofitting this elevator is to bring it up to the final stop, which is the observation deck where we're standing.
It's real good because my doctor says no steps. And as you know, I had to go up steps in order to get here.
Whether it's people with mobility impaired or whether it's parents or whatnot, even got kids in strollers or whatnot, so everybody can enjoy it.
The construction will start in January and will close down shop the month after.
From February to June is when there will be no access to the tower. So the stair will be closed, the elevator will be closed, and the view will not be available for about 6 months.
The $1 million project is being paid by a combination of federal stimulus dollars and bond money from Americans with Disability Act compliance work. And it's a price well paid for what many are calling...
Well, it's $1 million view, so why wouldn't it cost $1 million to fix the elevator?
Senare De Los Santos, News Channel 3.